Chicken bacon cheddar pinwheels, these creamy tortilla roll-ups are the ultimate party appetizer. Full of diced chicken, chopped bacon, shredded cheddar, green onions, ranch seasoning, and cream cheese. To make them, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1½ tablespoons ranch seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of milk until it's smooth and creamy. Then add 1½ cups of finely diced cooked chicken, 8 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 sliced green onions, and mix together really well. Spread the mixture evenly on 3 large flour tortillas. Then roll them up tightly and wrap in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least an hour and then cut into slices. In addition to being a party and game day favorite, these roll-ups also make an awesome school lunch for kids. Find the recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.